Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Faith. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am doing a little PR unboxing. I have everything back here that I'm going to be going through and showing you guys. I've only done one other PR unboxing on my channel, I think, and you guys really seem to like it. It kind of gives you a sense of what a smaller YouTuber gets in PR. I don't really know what like the cutoff is for small versus medium or large YouTube channels, but I consider my channel a small channel, and I've been able to in the last couple years still connect with brands and work with brands to send me product that I can share with you guys, do tutorials with, and also include in giveaways, because a lot of times the brands will send me duplicates. I'm literally just in my bathrobe, but this will just be a chill, fun video to kind of show you guys some new products and also give you some hints as to what is going to be included in my next giveaway. Yes, I am doing another giveaway. It's actually going to be the next video on my channel, so if you are new here, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. But today, we're just gonna chill and look at some new fun makeup and other things too. I think there's just some miscellaneous random things that people sent me too. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to open is from Octoly, and I have told you guys about Octoly before, I believe. This is a website where you can go if you're a smaller influencer and choose from like a free store. It has a bunch of brands that will send you product so long as you review it or talk about it on your Instagram or Instagram stories or things like that. So I received this from Ofra. This is a Flexi Slick. So this is what it looks like. It's a Flexi Slick lipstick. Let's take a little swatch here. The shade is Stretch. Ooh. That is so nice. So this is like a liquid lipstick, I think. That is a beautiful shade. I'm definitely going to like that, I think, but I'm gonna have to test it out for myself. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my handle is just @FaithDrew, and you can see what I think of this because that is where I have to review this for Octoly. What is this? Okay, I think this brand, actually, I'm not gonna even guess. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, these are iPhone cases. You will find if you are a smaller influencer, or I'm sure even the bigger ones too, you'll get a lot of like tech accessories like iPhone cases. You'll get a lot of random stuff sent to you, but I actually really love this company, Berga, that sent me these phone cases. They have sent me quite a few in the past. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is one of the phone cases. I'm putting this on my phone right now. So this one I have on my phone is a Berga phone case that they sent me a long time ago, but they just reached out and wanted to send me some more.
I don't know what you mean by, I just reached, how about a web search for it?
Okay, Siri, you need to be quiet. Who hates taking phone cases off their phones? It can be so difficult. But yeah, Berga just came out with a new like spring or summer release, I think. So they wanted me.
I found this on the web.
Okay, no, Siri. They wanted to send me some new phone cases. So I haven't even looked at the other ones, and I'm already committing to this one. This is so cute though. That's so cute. I'll link them down below in case you're interested. And this is for the iPhone 10. What else? So we have, ooh, this bright orange one. That's pretty. That'd be fun for summer. Ooh, there's like a white mark. Ah! They're plastic. It wouldn't break, but. And I will say, I've been using the Berga phone cases for probably 2 years now, and I've never had an issue like dropping my phone. The phone has been kept safe, even though this is just like a shell. It's not like one of those big otter boxes or anything like that. And there's one more. Ooh, a yellow one. That's fun. I think I'll do that one next. Okay, that's it from Berga. This is a brand that I found on Octoly, and they sent me something through Octoly, but then because they, I guess, became aware of me through Octoly, they wanted to send me more products, which is really cool. That's a really nice perk of Octoly, is sometimes you can connect with the actual PR manager or brand representative and establish a relationship further than just the one product that they sent you through Octali. That happened to me with First Aid Beauty. I got sent a whole PR package from First Aid Beauty because I had gotten a First Aid Beauty product from Octali and then just sent a thank you note to the brand, and they sent me more product. So if you're like a smaller influencer, that's a really great tip. So this is from the brand Dolce Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that right. So we have a MAC Lash Volumizer Mascara. I could actually really use a new mascara, so that's cool. There's also a lip pencil and a matte lipstick in Afterglow. So this was from, oops, this is my bad. This was from a Mother's Day campaign, which I clearly missed. This is really heavy, nice packaging. So this is, ooh, pretty. It's like some eyeshadows, and I think this is a highlight. So, oh, I think highlight, 2 blushes, and then eyeshadows. I think that's what that is. That is really, really pretty. I definitely will test this out and let you know about this brand. I may include a couple of these lip products in the giveaway just because I have so many new lip products to try, and I feel like I might not get around to trying these for a while, so I'd rather share that with somebody. What do we got? What do we got? Okay, this is fun. This is from Scentbird, which is, whoop, if you guys are familiar with, what's it called? Deck of Scarlet. It's a subscription makeup service. I've worked with them in the past on a video. They also have a fragrance subscription service, and it's called Scentbird. And they sent me some of their new fragrances, and I believe they're Fresh Beauty. You know the lip balms I love? They're the chapstick from Fresh, or they have that soy face cleanser, Fresh. They also have perfumes, which I had no idea that Fresh made perfumes, and Scentbird is now partnering with them to send like little samples out monthly. So it looks like this. You don't get it in the actual packaging of the brand. You get it in the Scentbird packaging, but it's the actual scent from the brand. So inside here is the Fresh scent, I believe. Another thing they're doing too is partnering with skincare brands and sending out skincare monthly. I thought this was so cool. So Glam Glow is one of the brands that they're working with. I'm wondering if maybe Fresh skincare products are one of the brands that they're working with. I'll have to look more into this and see how it works. But they sent me the Glam Glow Water Burst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. It's like way more inexpensive to get this on Scentbird, but it is like one of those subscription services that you have to pay for monthly, so unless you were to cancel it, it'd be a recurring fee. But if there's a skincare product that you really like that they offer, it might be something to look into. Okay. My fun package fell over. Oh, I was gonna save this for last, but why don't we just open it now? This is hands down the coolest PR package I've ever been sent. I felt so like YouTuber-ish when I got this. And this is from Ciate London. They have come out with new foundations, so it's called the Extraordinary Foundation Radiant Buildable Coverage Foundation. So let's see what's in here. I've had this for a couple weeks, but I wanted to save it for when I had time to do a PR unboxing. So, ooh. So this is what it looks like. So I have, holy cow, what am I gonna do with all these? I'm definitely gonna be including some of these in the giveaway. Whoever ends up winning, I'll just make sure that I get what shade they'd like, or a few shades. So this is what one of the foundations looks like. I love the packaging. So is it a pump? Yes, it's a pump. We love that. I can't wait to test this out. Where does it say the shade? Maybe you just see it through the stars. I'm gonna have to go back and ask them. I don't see where the shade is, to be honest. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But very cool. Super excited to try this. Okay, this is from a company called Thread Tank, and they sent me a t-shirt. I can't remember what the t-shirt is or says. I think it's like mom related because I'm pregnant right now. If you're new here and didn't know that, I am very pregnant. I'm like 35, 36 weeks. They sent me 2 t-shirts. Oh, this is so cute. It says, "Mom life is the best life." Can't wait to be able to wear that. Just a few weeks. Very soft, super soft. Mom Squad, this one says. That is so cute. I can't wait to wear that. These are so soft. Oh my gosh, they feel like pajamas. Can't wait to have my baby, finally. I feel like I've been pregnant forever. Okay, we've got something from Glossier. I think I explained this in my last PR unboxing, but I am a Glossier rep, and what that means is I have a link that you can shop through, and it saves you 20%, or it might be 10, but it also gets you free shipping off of orders over 30. And so because I'm a Glossier rep, every month I get to pick a couple things to try out. So I chose to get one of their new products. It's called Bubble Wrap, and it's an eye and lip plumping cream. So the packaging is like this. I love Glossier packaging, and in every Glossier package you get one of these little guys with a sample of something. So I have a sample of the priming moisturizer. I probably have 20 samples of this. So this is what it looks like. It feels like an aerosol can. So weird. So it's Glossier Bubble Wrap Eye and Lip Plumping Cream. After cleansing and before moisturizing, use ring finger to gently press into the area around eyes and onto lips. So I will have to tell you how that is. It's like a little, it's definitely just a regular pump, but it feels like tin, like an aerosol can. And then I also restocked on my Glossier Cotton Rounds, which actually, this is dumb. I don't know if you guys will even be excited about this, but I might include some of these in the giveaway just because I talked about these in my last favorites video. These Cotton Rounds are, I'm not going to open it because I actually am going to do that. I'm going to include this in the giveaway. These Cotton Rounds are like pillows. They're so thick and luxurious and nice. So I will include this along with a little package like this with a bunch of Glossier samples in there, because I have samples of the moisturizer, the cleanser, a bunch of different things. Okay, what is this? Oh, I am so excited by this. I am so excited for this one. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And I don't remember, actually, this was another situation kind of similar to Octoly. There's another company out there called, I think it's Preen Me or something like that. It's an influencer networking brand connector sort of site, and at one point they had a campaign with Charlotte Tilbury, and Charlotte Tilbury, through that company, sent me makeup, and I loved a lot of it and had been posting a lot about it and everything like that, and that's how the brand found me separately and wanted to send me one of their new collections. I was so excited when I got the email from the PR person at Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I thought that was so cool. Their stuff always comes in these gorgeous boxes like this. How pretty is that? So this is their new collection. I can't remember the name. Glowgasm is the name of it. So I have the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. So these are highlighters, or this is a highlighter, this is a blush, and this is a blush. Ooh, oh, it has a little sponge. Oh my gosh, that's what it looks like. This is the shade Goldgasm. It's a liquid highlight, and they also have two liquid blushes that I believe are the same concept. So yeah, here's one of them. Ooh, maybe I'll give away one of these liquid blushes. And here's this one. This one's Peachgasm, and this one is Pinkgasm. Okay, there's also a Star Gold Eyes to Mesmerize. Oh my. It's like gel, and you're supposed to put it on your eyes, probably as a base. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. And I think there's another one too. The gold one is called Star Gold, and then I also have Rose Gold, and that is Rose Gold. Those are so fun. I can't wait to try those. They also sent me two of these Collagen Lip Bath Plumping lip products. It's like a gloss. So this is just like a peachy gloss. It's called Peachy Plump, and it definitely has some shimmers in it. And then this is the shade Rosy Glow. I think I might include one of these in the giveaway too, just because again, I can't go through all this makeup. I'll keep one for myself and give one to you guys. And then there's also a couple palettes, it looks like, in here. So this is the Glowgasm Face Palette for Skin and Eye Gilding Highlighters. Ooh hoo hoo. The packaging is always so stunning too. Look at that. So fun. There is one of the highlighters. Oh my gosh. That looks like a bronzer. So this is a bronzer. These two could be like highlights or blushes, and then that is definitely a highlight. So fun. I can't wait to use that. And then what is this? This is for the eyes. Very pretty. I've seen them use this on Instagram. They've had like sponsored posts for this for a while. This is the Dreamgasm eyeshadow palette. This shade in particular, oh my gosh. That looks so pretty. Okay, 2 packages left. This is from Influenster, which is another sort of platform like Octoly. It connects you with brands. So let's see, I don't even know what they sent me. Oh, Laura Mercier. So Laura Mercier didn't directly send this to me. This is through Influenster. It's spelled like that, Influenster. So we have an eyelash curler from Laura Mercier, and then also a mascara. So this is the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. I definitely need more mascara. My mascara has kind of dried up, so can't wait to try that. Last package, and I love, love, love getting packages from Loving Tan. You guys know I love Loving Tan. I did do a body care video where I showed you guys how I do my fake tanning routine, and I've always loved Loving Tan the best, and I was so pumped when they reached out to me. They actually came out with some new products. I believe it's a gradual tanner. This is their new product. This is the Deluxe Gradual Tan in Dark. So it's like a lotion that you can just put on every day and it gradually builds up. I've been looking for a gradual tanner, and of course if Loving Tan would have had one, I would have went for it, but they didn't at the time. So I was kind of like doing some research and things like that. And then literally they announced that they were coming out with a gradual tanner, and I was so excited. So it's paraben free, it's organic, alcohol free, really, really good, and the products are just so nice. I do have a little bit of a fake tan on right now. They restocked me with my favorite, which is the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in Ultra Dark. This is the 6 to 8 hour one that you can kind of like wear overnight and then wash off in the morning. So I am wearing this right now. They sent me 2 of them, and I actually still have 2 in my closet, so I'm definitely going to give away one of these to you guys. They also sent me another applicator mitt, which I already have a couple, so I will include this. Even if you're really, really fair like me, like I'm pretty fair to be honest, the Ultra Dark is not going to be too dark on you. It'll be just fine. So this will work for anybody, and I'll definitely include that. I also love, they always include these Australian candies, these Tim Tams. They're like graham crackers with chocolate on them. So they're always in that package. That's so fun. They also sent me a removing and skin polishing glove, which I already have one of these too, I believe, so I might include this in the giveaway. This is their Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream in Ultra Dark. So this is kind of like body makeup. You would put it on for a special event, maybe on your legs. It's not 100% transfer proof. Like if you got wet or sweaty, it might kind of come off. But if you just really wanted to look beautiful, maybe for pictures, or like a really special event, you want to put this on your legs, it's really, really nice. So that is everything that I had to open with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. I also hope that you guys are getting excited for the giveaway. Again, that will be the next video on my channel. I have a bunch more products to include that I already have like set away. I love giving back to you guys. You guys are the reason that I get sent this awesome stuff. So I have to give back to you guys and show you some love. Definitely make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, you know the drill. I love you all so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!